Hey, my name is Mikey, and in today's video I want to share with you why you haven't been able to reprogram your subconscious mind with affirmations, and I will share with you an exercise that will allow you to actually trick your subconscious mind and reprogram it to achieve whatever goal that you want to achieve, so that you move in the direction of your goal much easier and much faster. Wouldn't it be amazing if you would actually be able to reprogram your subconscious and start going after your goal? Okay? 95% of your life is created from the subconscious. 5% is the conscious. Okay? That's the overlying thing. So if you reprogram the subconscious, then it's gonna start creating that result. Basically on autopilot. I'm not saying you don't have to do anything, but it's gonna automatically lead you to the actions and the things that will lead you to that result. Okay, with that said, let's go straight to the video. So, if you see me looking down from time to time, I'm just looking at my notes that I have prepared for you. So don't mind it. Just let's focus on the value I'm sharing with you. Okay? Cool. So, first of all, what are affirmations and what are they for? So basically, an affirmation is a positive statement that we say to ourselves to reprogram our subconscious in a positive way, so that the subconscious mind creates a positive result in our life. That's what affirmations are used for. Okay, affirmation to reprogram the mind. And that's just one way to reprogram the mind. Just so you know, there are more ways to do it, but affirmations is one way, and there is a way to put affirmations to work efficiently, so you actually get results from it, so you actually reprogram it. So why don't the I am affirmations work? If we talk about affirmations, usually everybody thinks about I am this or I am that. That's why I put into the title of this video why affirmations do not work. That's why I put it into the title of this video. And because everybody refers to the I am affirmations. Okay? And with that said, I want to tell you why affirmations don't work. So basically, if you say an affirmation with your conscious mind, you're consciously controlling, you're consciously saying, I am rich. You state, I am rich. I am rich. I am rich. Okay? You say consciously, I am rich. And if your subconscious mind's program says, I am poor, I don't have any money, right? If your subconscious belief says there's a lack of money in this world, then your subconscious mind will respond, no, you're not rich. No, you're not. You are poor. And the language of the subconscious is feelings, basically. The subconscious mind is the body, basically. So, you say, I am rich, I am rich, I am rich. And you feel that friction inside. You feel that negative emotion. And that's the subconscious mind saying, no, you are not. And that friction that is created when you say that affirmation consciously, that creates even more friction, which strengthens that negative program, that negative subconscious belief. So it's actually damaging. Affirmations actually damage you if you do that out of this friction. And why these affirmations don't work is because they're done from this lower vibrational state. Okay? Like you do the affirmation, but you feel poor, right? Okay, so let's say you wake up in the morning and you feel tired, and you're like, okay, let me do this affirmation, let me reprogram myself. You feel tired, you say, I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. You start to try to get that energy going, I'm rich. You start screaming, I'm rich. But the vibration is low, right? You're not feeling the high vibrations, which makes the subconscious to accept those more. Okay, so the two reasons that affirmations don't work is that, wait a second. It's because your subconscious mind doesn't believe it, creates friction. Second of all, it's done from a low vibration state. It's done from a low vibration state. And that's it. That's the main reason, two main reasons why affirmations do not work. And now let's move to the exercise that I promised to share with you. And I got this exercise from Vishen Lakhiani, the founder of Mind Valley. Maybe you have heard of this company. I watched a great talk from him. He shared this with me, and I've been applying this in my life, and they've created positive emotions in me, and I feel really good about those. These are not affirmations. I feel good about that exercise, and I feel like they're programming me in a positive way, helping me move towards my goals. And I want to share that with you as well. So the exercise is called Lofty Questions. Lofty questions. Not an affirmation, a question. Right? Opposite, a question. So how this works is, let's say your affirmation was, I am, earning 10,000 euros a month with my business. Or your goal is to earn 10,000 euros a month of business. Sorry about that. Or your goal is to earn 10,000 euros a month with your business. Okay, so this is how the lofty question works. Usually you start with a why. So you ask, why am I such a successful entrepreneur earning 10,000 a month with my business? Okay, so you see, I didn't ask why am I earning 10,000 euros a month? Although you can do it, but why is it a better way to add that successful entrepreneur thing? It's because of your identity. So that question starts reshaping your identity. And if you have been watching my previous videos, then you know that I'm preaching a lot this: if you evolve yourself, your reality will evolve. If you grow yourself, your reality will grow. If you raise your identity, your reality will resonate with it. So this is what this exercise is doing. So why am I such a successful entrepreneur earning 10,000 euros a month? If your goal is to lose weight, why? Okay, yeah. Wait a second. So my affirmation is, why do I have the fit and muscular body of an athlete? So this one is not, why am I? This is a little bit different, but still works the same way. Sorry about that error. I thought I got it, But no, my second one is a little bit different, but still focused on identity. Muscular and fit body of an athlete, right? If your goal is to have a deep and loving, romantic relationship, then you ask, why am I in such a deep and loving romantic relationship? Why am I spending the best time of my life with my dream partner? Okay, so you have a goal, and then you make a question out of it. And you can ask it once a day if you want to. You can ask it 2 times a day. I recommend that you do it in the morning. First 15 minutes of the morning. During that time, do it. You can ask. You can put there up to 10 questions. Up to 10 questions, and you can ask each question once. Every morning, every evening. Try to do it for 21 days. That's usually a period that will start giving you some hints if it's working or if it's not working. And just see if, maybe some things start coming you start seeing some videos that really resonate with you, guide you in the right direction, or some programs or some teachers start coming to you, or you start taking, some kind of different actions, or get some kind of an idea, or just see if you start shifting in that direction. It's never like this and this manifest. It's like you start being guided in that direction and see if that starts happening. Let's see if I have anything else to share with you. Looks like I don't. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed doing it. If you did, then feel free to subscribe to this video. Not to this video, but to this channel. And I really hope you do, because you will love the content that I'm sharing on this channel about reality creation. Like the things that you really need to do to create your reality. Not the technique, not a gimmick, but the things that actually work to create your reality, your dream life, and create that lasting change in your life. And create that lasting change in your life. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you haven't had... I don't know what's going on with my dictation there. Just sorry about that. Let me try again. Where people will make mistakes, let me try again. I hope you enjoyed this. And peace, love, and success. We'll see you in the next video. Let's go.